Luxury vinyl tile is gaining popularity as a top commercial flooring option. It produces the look of wood or stone without extensive maintenance. However, maintaining LVT does present its own challenges. NCL's luxury vinyl tile cleaning and protection program meets those challenges while preserving and protecting your LVT flooring investment. LVT-PROTECT creates a maintainable wear layer specially designed to protect luxury vinyl tile floors from spills and foot traffic fatigue, improving the overall cleanability of the surface. LVT-PROTECT produces a low satin gloss that reveals the floor's true character and beauty, ideal for protecting and enhancing new or restoring and revitalizing older, worn LVT, rubber, linoleum, no wax, and synthetic flooring surfaces.